Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. One more design for a nice dressing unit that I'm showing you now. In dressing, a lot of people like the concept of a chest of drawers along with the unit. See, generally, when you have a console type dressing where you don't have the storage part, you have to get some chest of drawers along with the unit. But this unit that you see here has got 6 big drawers. These are all drawers here. So 6 big drawers, and that serves the purpose of a chest of drawers. Another thing unique about this one is that the carving itself serves as a handle. So hold it and pull it out. There is no need for an additional handle in this, a brass or something else. Now the designing part, again a catalog design, and by catalog I mean the designs that are done on computers or softwares. They are not real stuff, and this is the real stuff I'm showing you, transformed from a photo on computer to an actual unit you see here. This one is 5 feet outer. The depth is 18 inches and the total height is 7 feet. The height of the platform is 32 inches from the ground. And this comes with a sitting stool here. Now, as it doesn't have a space in the middle, so it has to be kept outside, so we can keep it here. Now, the designing part is a little subtle design from the other designs that I've shown you earlier. And subtle does in not in actual terms, but the kind of carving it has is quite less as compared to the other heavy designs I've shown you earlier. The curves on the entire unit is the highlight of this particular design. Now, if you see here, this design is flowing towards inside here, then it flows outside. So a little pot-like design, and similarly the curves on this side, the curves on the front, and then the lower area is protruding outside. So it's a design something like this, then this, and this. So a flowing pot design that you see in this one, and this one is also going to Kerala with a lot of other stuff. In fact, the client has 4 bedroom sets, 4 beds, 4 dressings, and then a big sized 8-seater dining, an office table, and a sofa set. So all these items I'll be showing you in further videos. All the stuff is similarly white and gold painted with different fabrics, different theme, and again this design. The frame of this one is quite a heavy design as compared to other designs I've shown you, and the work on the top part is a little higher. Total height of a dressing depends on this area. The higher this area is, the higher the dressing height goes, the frame height goes, because we require a clear vision, and that is up to this point. So the vision should be cleared. After that, the total design on the top part covers the area. So some designs look good in 6.5 feet, and this one is 7 feet. So 6 inches or 7 inches more than the regular designs. Now the finishing part, this is white and gold highlighted. Gold highlighting is something that is a client's choice. We have shown you several designs earlier where the highlighting was very light. But here the client wanted heavy highlighting of more gold work. So accordingly, the gold work has been done. In any unit, the color is as per the clients, because we are making personalized furniture. The sizes, the designs, the colors, the fabrics, everything is as per what you like. These are not cheap units, cheap furniture where you can go to a shed and buy it. This is premium and royal stuff. When you put something like this in a bedroom or in a dressing room, and the overall design with the interiors, proper interiors, this is a temporary setup I'm showing you. When you have the proper interiors with the background and the curtains and the lights, it looks more beautiful than it's looking here. I'm just showing you a raw kind of video with not with the proper setup, because we don't want to disturb the actual unit. What I'm showing you is actual stuff. With all the setup, generally, the actual thing that you see here is not that clearly visible, because the other things creates an aura. and finally you get to see the item. This is what happens in the catalog images where you have the complete setup. So in the aura, one thing may look very beautiful, but when you're looking at a single individual item, that may not look good. So we show the actual stuff in single items so you can decide whether it's going as per your choice or not. The sitting stool is a nice concept with the dressing because ladies generally take time to dress up. And when you have sitting stool, they can easily sit and do their makeup. They can get ready at their own time. Now, with the designs like these, the colors like these, the work like this that you have are looking at now, that you have not seen very easily in a local store near you or in actual videos or pictures, you can think of Aarsun if you're looking for anything in the royal or premium furniture category. Here, when I'm saying royal or premium furniture, see, we are not Turkey or Egypt or Italy. We are not that expensive. The prices are Indian. The work is Indian. The art is from our city, Saharanpur. You can compare quality with anyone you want, and you will find our quality at par, and in some cases, better than what they are supplying. We take full care in getting all these stuff ready because most of our clients look for quality, and that's what we are working on. It's in teak wood, white and gold paint, and the final finish that you're looking at is the work and the quality. The finishing, the white thing, takes a lot of time to get complete. With white color, even a minor scratch, a dot, or a single line can be easily visible on the unit. So every part has to be done with a lot of quality checks to get the final finish, and it takes time. Also, the white paint for the finishing takes a number of coats. In one coat, you cannot get this kind of finishing. It takes 3 to 4 coats of the paint, then the final PU coating and the gloss finishing, and the rubbing and the scrubbing. All that work has been done. Finally, you get to see this kind of output and the finishing. The sizes part. Size can be altered as per the requirement. It can be smaller, it can be bigger, or it can be further deeper, that as per you. We can deliver to any part of India wherever you want. We are delivering outside India also to most of the places. And the colors and the fabrics are your choice again. This is the artwork we are promoting, and it's been almost 38 years we are in this business now. The our YouTube channel has more than 450 videos now. And the work I'm showing you is updating every day. We are getting better items, more crafting work, more beautiful designs every day, and we are creating stuff like this. I request you to let us know how we are doing. If you have some suggestions, I would be more than happy. A few comments of yours. Thank you so much.